students, welcome back to the online classes of KBD Academy. Today I am going to teach class 3rd chapter 14 means of transport. The different type of vehicles that we use to travel are called means of transport. The different types of vehicles that we use to travel are called means of transport. जो तरह तरह के vehicles हम इस्तेमाल करते हैं एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाने के लिए, ट्रेवल करने के लिए, उसे क्या कहते हैं? मीन्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट. We use different kinds of vehicles to travel and carry goods from one place to another. Buses, cars, trains, aeroplanes, ships, scooters, bicycle, and boats are the means of transport. Buses, cars, trains, aeroplanes, ships, scooters, bicycles and boats are the means of transport. We cannot use the same means of transport to travel to all places. The types of transport we use to travel a particular place depends upon a various factors. Okay. These factors include the distance we need to travel and the amount of time and money we spend on our travel. Means of transport can broadly classified into land transport, water transport and air transport. Means of transport can broadly classified into land transport, water transport and air transport. Land transport. Bicycles, scooters, buses, cars, tractors, trains are some vehicles that travel on land. These are called land transport. ये वो व्हीकल्स हैं जो लैंड पर चलते हैं और इसे क्या कहते हैं? लैंड ट्रांसपोर्ट. Now come to water transport. People have invented several means of transport to travel on water. Boats, houseboats, ships. Are some vehicles that move on water. Boats, houseboats and ships are some vehicles that move on water and these are called water transport. Okay. Boat, houseboat, ships ये कहाँ चलते हैं? पानी में. इसे क्या कहते हैं? वाटर ट्रांसपोर्ट. Now come to air transport. Some modes of transport fly in air. These are called air transport. Like aeroplanes, helicopters, These are air transport. Examples of air transport. The faster way to travel by air. Land transport, water transport and air transport. Air transport is the fastest way to travel. Fastest and costly. Water transport is cheaper than air and land. Okay. We have very fast moving planes which can take us from one corner to the world to another within a few hours. Yes, we can travel within a within a few hours to another countries. This is because almost all cities and countries of the world are connected by air. Aeroplanes can transport hundreds of passengers to their destination within short period of time. 100 passengers at a time can travel to another country within 5 hours or more or less than 5 hours. Modes of air transport are also used to move carriages from one place to another. Aeroplanes also help in courier services. However, air transport is more expensive than other modes of transport. As I told you, air transport is more expensive than any other transport. Okay. जो एयर ट्रांसपोर्ट है ये सबसे एक्सपेंसिव है वाटर ट्रांसपोर्ट से और लैंड ट्रांसपोर्ट से, सबसे ज़्यादा महंगा है. ओके, एक्सपेंसिव मतलब होता है महंगा. एंड एनिमल्स नाउ सी हेयर एनिमल्स विच आर यूज्ड फॉर ट्रांसपोर्ट. वो जानवर जो ट्रांसपोर्ट के काम आते हैं. Some animals are used as means of transport. They can transport both people and goods. Bullock carts. Tongas are important means of transport in villages. गांव के अंदर लोग बुलेट कार्ट और टांगा से एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाते हैं. ओके, हॉर्सेस, mules, yaks are used in hilly regions, while elephants used to travel to move about in jungles. Horses, mules, yaks ये कहाँ इस्तेमाल होते हैं ट्रांसपोर्ट के लिए? हिली एरियाज में, पहाड़ी क्षेत्रों में. ओके, हिली एरियाज. The camel is known as the sheep of the desert, as it is the main means of transport in desert. Camel is called the main sheep, the sheep of the desert. Okay, desert मतलब होता है रेगिस्तान. रेगिस्तान में इसको वहाँ का शिप बुलाया जाता है, यानी कि जहाज. वहाँ पर यही है कैमल, जो एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाने में लोग इसको इस्तेमाल करते हैं ट्रांसपोर्ट के तौर पे. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, थैंक यू.